Hi, in this section we are going to talk a bit about tables, different kind of windows that are available with MapInfo, and how we can edit the data using the tools and applications in MapInfo Discover. So to start with, I will go and open up a table. Mm, Now, this we have opened up the Australia table, and this table has opened up in this window. Now, this window is known as map window. All the geospatial data can be viewed under the map window. Similarly, you can open up many tables. Uh, Control, caps, rail. Now you can see I have opened up three tables. One is Australia capitals, Australia rails, and Australia. Now in this we cannot see the labels here. So what MapInfo has, it has this option of turning on the labels. I click on this, I have the Australian territory labels present, Australia rail present. It's not really required. Yeah, I'll turn on the capitals label. So now you can see that you have labels available for the territories and for the capitals. Now this option, my cursor is pointing on this editable off. Now as soon as I click on this, it turns on, and this gives me the ability to play around with the data or edit my data. So tally board, okay. So it's pretty clearly visible that how we can easily manipulate the data as per our requirements. In the same way, I can now in Australia, since I have not kept it as editable, I cannot make any changes. Just double clicking it would give me the details on the area, so I have to turn it on. And yep, style, change the color. Yep, okay. See, so this is how you can work on your tables. You can edit your tables. Now this is the map window. Talking about the browser window, I click on browser window and it will ask me to open up the data for which of the tables that have already been opened up in the map window. So for this time I'll just select Australia table. This is how your browser window looks like. It contains all the data that is available for Australia table. Now since what happens is that, taking an example where you have to check your data once. Now as soon as I select any of the region in my map window, it automatically gets selected in the browser window as well. Here, or I deselect it. Now using your browser window to select your data on the map window can be done just by selecting any of the two. Like you can either select in your map window or you can select in your browser window. Now what facility it provides you is that it gives you the filter. You can sort your tables according to the order, in the order that you want. You can put in new rows into your data, like day-to-day update of your drill hole data. You getting new values, you can just click on this and update your data directly into the software. And then you have pick fields, like it depends, if you do not want all the fields to be viewed at a point of time, because it is of no use to you, so you can select only those particular fields that are of use to you at that point of time. Remove. I just want state, I want female population, I want total population, and I want male population. And okay, so this is how you can select your fields depending on your requirements. Well, this is pretty much about how you can play around with your browser window and your map window. Talking about the graph window, what it does is it gives you the ability to visualize your data in a statistical manner. For example, I'll take the histogram. Now it will ask me what fields are we looking for to populate or to have a statistical analysis on. I'll put on this. Okay. Now if there is any kind of error when you are entering your data, it will automatically detect it and let you know. See, so this is how you can also create your you can do your statistical analysis for your data. Now suppose you're doing all this work and you have to go somewhere in the middle of your work, so and you might have to close or your computer crashes. For that kind of a thing, we have a thing called Workspace. Workspace is nothing but a text file that saves all your present information in the form of text, and as soon as you open up a workspace, it opens up the windows that were pre-opened, and you can work from your and you can work on the data that were that you lost actually. So it's better to save a workspace. You can save your workspace. Yeah, now I'll do one thing, I'll close everything, close all. In this kind of situation, what happens is you can open up your workspace and you can get back to your work from where you left. See, well, this is about the workspace, tables, and how you can play around with your data.